Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to create a voice channel or a normal channel for your Discord server. So first things first, we're going to go to your Discord homepage, and that is here. We're going to go on your channel and this will have to show up. So after voice channels, you have a little plus sign on the right, and next to text channels you also have a little plus sign on the right. So it doesn't matter which one you click, because when you click it, you have to put a channel name. So we're gonna put H2L, and then you have to pick, is this channel type a text, a voice, or a stage, host, event, panel, Q&A for an audience, and if you want to make it private. So I don't want to make it private, but I do want a voice channel so I can talk with my friends. And that's about it. All you have to do now is click on the top right corner on the create option. And once you click it, there it is under voice channels, HTL, and you can just join it, etc., etc. Talk with your friends, or you can either make a text channel. It's up to you. That's about it. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.